Okay, today we've got an Audi A3 with a B10051B driver head curtain airbag igniter resistance too high. So if you have an Audi A3 with a fault for the curtain airbag on either the left and right, first thing we're going to do is just to check that the plug is clean. Basically give it a clean up in case it's just got a bit of dirt in there, and then we are going to clear the code, make sure it goes away, and probably give it back to the customer and just make sure it stays away before we jump into replacing the airbag. Okay, so this is the driver's side one. So you can see we've taken all these panels off because we are trying to find the plug. Okay, it's not at the front, by the way. Okay, and it runs all the way along the full length. Past the pillar there, you've got an airbag sign up on here, but that's not where the plug is. Okay, so it comes all the way along the back. Okay, and all the way around here. Okay, and the igniters for these are actually right at the back. So this is in through the boot space. Okay, and you can see we've got one on the left, one on the right, and the plug is that purple one up in there. Okay, so we're going to disconnect our battery, we're going to take that out, clean it, put it back together. Okay, so this cover here actually has a screw up in here. So this one here is just clipped, it goes up in there, so you can get in the back here and pry that down with your plastic trim tools. And then you need to undo this screw up in here. It's a Torx, probably like a 25 or something, to get this cover off. Okay, so here is our plug out. Now to release this, of course, being an airbag plug, most of you all know this, but you need to release this little lock tab there. It's in an awkward spot. The easiest way is actually a really fine screwdriver. The pick tools were a bit tricky to actually fit in there, so I've got this really fine screwdriver. That was much easier. Cool. So we're just going to get a bit of contact cleaner, give this plug a bit of a clean, put it back in. Even the act of unplugging it, replugging it, will give it a bit of a clean as well. And all we're really doing is just ruling out this connection. And if this doesn't work, we are going to be looking at the airbag igniter itself, which will be replacing that whole airbag, which will be sealing off a whole lot of panels off. It'll be a bit of a prick of a job.
Okay, I hope that has helped you out today. Don't forget to click the like button and also click the subscribe while you're there. We've got a bunch of diagnostic solutions and tips and tricks for professional mechanics like ourselves, and also for the serious DIYers at home. So click that subscribe and the bell so you get notified, and we will see you in the next video.